Tell us about some crazy stories that you've had while scaling the products, especially WordPress products. You've scaled StudioPress, scaled Genesis, scaled Revolution. So you have seen those ups and downs. Tell us some stories which not only have some fun, but it can also help us learn a bit from it.
Sure. Sometimes expect the unexpected. Sometimes lucky happens, and StudioPress was an example. When I started selling Revolution theme / StudioPress, the first month I sold $10,000. The second month was 20, 40, and then 80. And so 4 months in, it was doing $80,000 a month. And it was unexpected. It was unexpected that it happened, but I also didn't want to expect that it would continue. So like there has to be some element of how do I sustain this, and how do I sort of look at this sort of like wide lensed. And so it was at that point I was still working at my day job, and the volume that was coming through was like, I have to quit. Like this is now a real opportunity. So like that's another sort of leap of faith that I took. And that was 2006. And so here we are, 16 years later. So it worked out in some fashion. The cease and desist letter was kind of an interesting, fun story.